Morning children. Today we will start exercise 6.3. In this exercise we will know to find square roots of the given number. There are three methods to find the square root of the given number. One method is repeated subtraction method. Second is prime factorization method, and third is long division method. Okay students, exercise 6.3, question number 1. What could be the possible ones digit of the square root of each of the following numbers? First part is 9801. Second part is 99,856. Here students, we have to find that if we find square root of this number, what will be the unit digit? Here you no need to find whole answer. Here you have to find only ones digit. What is possible ones digit? Okay students, solution is okay students, here you know that first part it is 9801. You know that 9 into 9 81. Okay students, here ones place is 1. Ones place digit is 1, and you know that 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. Here also ones place digit is 1. So that possible ones here is 1, and in these two numbers, when 9 is multiplied by 9, 81, 1 place is 1, and 1 is multiplied by 1, 1 place is 1. From 1 to 9, only 2 digits number are whose ones place digit is 1. So that possible ones digits can be 9 and 1. Square root of this number, the possible ones digit can be 9 and 1. Okay students, second part, it is 99,856. 99,856. Last digit is 6. Ones place digit is 6, and you know that 6 into 6 is 36. Here ones place digit is 6, and 4 into 4 equal to 16. Here is ones digit also 6. So from 1 to 9, only 2 numbers are there. When these numbers are multiplied by itself, their ones place digit is 6. 6 multiplies 6, 36. 4 multiply 4, 16. In these two product, only 6 is ones place digit. So possible ones digits can be 6 and 4. 6 and 4. Okay, students? Okay, students. Question number 2. Without doing any calculation, find the number which are surely not perfect square. Here you have to find these numbers are not a perfect square. Perfect square number is like 16, because 16 can be right 4 into 4, and 49 can be right 7 into 7. So 49 is a perfect square. 36 is a perfect square. These numbers are perfect square. Yes and no you have to find. Okay, students? Solution. You know that numbers ending in 2, 3, 7, 8 can never be a perfect square. Perfect square. Here students, a number ending in 2, 3, 7, 8, number which one's digit number is either 2, 3, 7, 8, or odd number of 0, as I explain you exercise 6.1. Okay, students, numbers whose ones digit is 2 or 3 or 7 or 8 can never be a perfect square. Okay, so first is, it is not perfect square. Not a perfect square. Not a perfect square. And this 257, not a perfect square. Perfect square. This number is not perfect square. Why? Because its one's digit is 2. This number is not a perfect square. Why? Because its one's digit is 7. Okay, students? Okay, students? Question number 3. Find the square root of 100 and 169 by method of repeated subtraction. Square root. Here you find square root by repeated subtraction method. Okay, student? 100. You have to find 100, square root of 100. So how can we find? Subtract odd number, successive odd number from the given number. Okay, 100 minus 1 is 99. Okay, then 99 minus 3 is 96. Then 96 minus 5 is 91. Then 91 minus 7, 84. Then 84 minus 9, 75. Then 75 minus 11, 64. Then 64 minus 13, 51. Then 51 minus 15 is 36. Then 36 minus 17 is 19, and then 19 minus 19 is 0. Here you subtract successive odd number from the given number. 100 minus 1, then 99 minus 3, then minus 5, then minus 7, then minus 9. Successive odd number. Okay, students, till 0. You will subtract until you will get 0. When you will get 0, then count the how many times you subtracted. You subtracted 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You subtracted 10 times, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You subtracted 10 times. So, square root of 100 is 10. Okay, students. Here, for this question, for 169 you solve yourself. 169, then 169 minus 1, then answer separated, then minus 3, until you will get 0. Okay, students, then count the number how many times you subtracted. This will be the required answer. Okay, students. Okay, students. Question number 4. Find square root of the following number by prime factorization method. First part is 729. Okay, students. Now find the prime factors of 729. By 3 divided by 3, you will get 3 2 ja 6, 3 4 ja or 3 3 ja 9. Then again divide by 3, you will get 81. Then again divide by 3, you will get 27. Then again divide by 3, you will get 9. Then again divide by 3, you will get 3. Then again divide by 3, you will get 1. So its prime factor are 729 prime factors. 1 2 3 4 5 6. See, 6 times 3. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, students. Now make pairs. Pairs of 2. 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair. Okay, students. It is 729. 729 factorize 729. You will get the prime factors of 729. Make the pair, 2's pair of 2. Okay, in 2 pairs. 729. So square root of 729 is 1 pair. You will write one number of each pair. Here is 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair. So here 1 pair you will write 3. This pair, one number of this, and one number from this pair. You will get 3 3 ja 9, 3 ja 27. Square root of 729 is 27. Okay, students. fifth part, 7744. So find its prime factorization. Divide it by 2, you will get 2 3 ja, 2 8 ja, 2 7 ja, 2 2 ja. Then again divide by 2, 2 19 ja, 38 and 36. Okay, then again divided by 2, 2 9 ja, 2 6 ja, 2 8 ja. Again divide by 2, you will get 2 4 ja, 2 8 ja, 2 4 ja. Then again divide by 2, 2 2 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 2 ja. Again divide by 2, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 1 ja. And now you know that 121 is divisible by only 11. 11 1 ja, 11 11 ja, 121. Then again divide by 11, you will get 1. Okay students, so now make into pair, you will get 2 2 2 2 2 2 11 11. 1 2 3 4 5 6, 2 in 6 times, 1 2, sorry, it is 2 2 2 into 2, 1 2 3 4 5 2. Okay, and into 11 and 11. Okay, now make the pairs in one pair of 2 here, one pair of 2 here, other pair of 2 and one pair of 11. You will see that one pair of 2, second pair of 2, third pair of 2 and one pair of 11. So square root of 7744 is 2 1 from each pair. Take one number from each pair, 1 from here, one number from here and one number from here and one number from here. Multiply these, you will get 11 2 ja 22, 2 ja 44, 2 ja 88. Okay students, I hope you all have understood.